I have 2021 Toyota Camry LE. The check engine light was on, and then I checked the code. That was said P0456. I just want to show you some trick. You can fix it without pay anything. Here's the gas cap. We'll have to hold it. Sorry. Oh, okay. See, if you see this one, that said, if you doesn't tighten it with click, one click, your check engine light is coming on. And the other thing, there is a O-ring right there. If that be dirty right here or on the cab, your check engine light is coming on. So after you clean this one, looks like I did, and put it back and reset the battery. If you don't have any scanner, your check engine light is going off without you paying anything. Thank you.